YouTube. Hi everyone, I'm Naushad. Welcome back to my channel Share Knowledge video tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete browsing history in Microsoft Edge, Chrome, network storage, and internet option. Now we are going to clearing the browsing history of Microsoft Edge, Chrome, network storage, and internet option. You can try clearing the browsing history of all the browsers that you have. Okay, let's start. Now we are going to cleaning the browsing history of Microsoft Edge. If you are using Microsoft Edge browser, open Edge and choose these three dots top of the right here to expand the available options. From the menu, choose History, then choose Clear Browsing Data. Now we'll open the new window at the center with basic options. Then choose the time range, scroll down and click on choose what to clear under clear browsing data. Click on the box what you want to delete and choose clear now. That's it. Okay, if we are using Chrome browser, follow these steps to delete the browsing history. Open Chrome and choose these three dots top of the right here to expand the available options. From the menu, choose More Tools, then select Clear Browsing Data. Now we'll open the new window at the center with basic options. Navigate to the Advanced tab and choose the time range, what things you would like to clear. After scroll down and click on choose what to clear under clear browsing data. Then click on the box what you want to delete and click on clear data. That's it, done it. Now we are going to deleting the internet options chunk files. In the search box on the taskbar, type internet options and open it. Then select delete from the general tab. Now we'll open the new window, delete browsing history with basic options. Then click on choose what to clear under delete browsing history. Click on the box what you want to delete and choose delete. That's it, done it. Okay, now close the window. Open the settings menu by pressing the Windows logo key +I. Then select the network and internet entry. Then click on status. Then go to right pane in the network status area and then click on data usage and open it. Then select the type of network you want to reset, and after then scroll down. If you want to, you can choose the data limit and then scroll down and click on reset usage status and then click on reset that. That's it, done it. Okay, now close the window. If you have any issues, comments below. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, make sure hit like and share. Your contribution is more confidence. Please don't forget subscribe my channel. Once again, thanks for watching and subscribing. See you next video. Bye, take care.